welcome to our video. Today, we're going on a journey into the world of premium Japanese grapes. Specifically the coveted Ruby Roman. These aren't just any grapes, they're a symbol of luxury and exquisite taste. Roman is a marvel of Japanese agriculture. Grown exclusively in Ishikawa Prefecture. This region is known for its pristine natural environment and skilled farmers who dedicate themselves to producing the highest quality grapes. The journey of the Ruby Roman begins long before the grapes even appear. As spring arrives, farmers work tirelessly to prepare their vineyards for the new season. The process is meticulous, every single vine is carefully cleaned and pruned to ensure optimal growth conditions. These tiny seedlings, carefully nurtured in greenhouses, hold the potential to become majestic grapevines. The selection process is rigorous. Only the strongest and healthiest seedlings are chosen to be planted in the vineyards. Pruning is an art form in itself. Skilled farmers use their knowledge and experience to shape the grapevines, ensuring optimal airflow, sunlight exposure, and fruit development. This meticulous process is crucial for the Ruby Roman's distinctive sweetness and size. When the grapevines bloom, a crucial step follows: flower thinning. Farmers selectively remove some of the blossoms to ensure that the remaining grapes receive ample nutrients, resulting in larger, sweeter fruit. This is one of the key factors that contribute to the Ruby Roman's remarkable quality. Roman demands the perfect balance of sunlight, water, and soil. Farmers meticulously monitor the weather, adjusting irrigation and soil management to create the ideal conditions for optimal grape growth. Harvest time is a crucial moment, demanding unwavering attention to detail. Farmers use specialized tools to measure the sugar content of the grapes, ensuring they reach the peak of ripeness. Only the most perfectly formed, plump, and evenly colored grapes are selected for the Ruby Roman market. The packaging process is just as meticulous. Workers handle the grapes with the utmost care, ensuring they remain pristine The ruby Roman grapes are auctioned off in a highly anticipated event, a testament to their exceptional value. Bidders from across Japan gather to compete for the right to purchase these exquisite grapes, with prices often reaching staggering heights. The ruby Roman isn't just a grape, it's an experience. Its distinctive sweet and juicy flavor, combined with its delicate texture, has captivated taste buds across the world. The grapes are often eaten whole, allowing the full spectrum of flavor to burst on the palate. The ruby Roman isn't just a fruit, it's a legacy. It represents the generations of farmers who have dedicated their lives to cultivating this extraordinary grape. Their skill, passion, and meticulous attention to detail are evident in every delicious bite. As technology advances, so too does the grape growing industry. Farmers are embracing innovative techniques, such as robotic harvesting machines, to increase efficiency and maintain the high quality of their grapes. The future of the ruby Roman is bright, promising an even more exceptional experience for those who seek the ultimate in fruit luxury. The ruby Roman is a testament to the passion, skill, and innovation that drive Japanese agriculture, from the meticulous care taken in the vineyards to the exquisite taste it offers. This grape is a true masterpiece. In Japan, food is more than just sustenance, it's an art form. From the delicate flavors of traditional cuisine to the meticulously crafted presentations, Japanese culture celebrates the art of savoring every bite. We hope this journey into the world of ruby Roman grapes has given you a deeper appreciation for the dedication and artistry behind Japanese agriculture. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply curious about the world around you, we encourage you to discover the treasures that await you in the realm of Japanese food. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoyed learning about the exquisite world of ruby Roman grapes. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the world of Japanese agriculture.